Public School. I am your science teacher. We are learning chapter 6 tissue. Now, yesterday we learned about nervous tissue, right? Sorry, muscular tissue. Now, today we are going to learn about nervous tissue. This is the last part of our topic, nervous tissue. Now, you must be wondering, sir, all types of tissues, mostly in an animal body, or if we consider our body, it is almost done. But there is one more tissue called nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, what they do, they send a response. They have an ability to respond to a stimuli. For example, when you go near to the fire, right, and if too much heat is there, your body will tell you, your brain will tell you to move away from that, right? If the fire is there, you never go and catch the fire. Accidentally we do, but or else something hot substance, when it drop on you, you move your hand quickly. That was stimuli means your body respond to something. And who do that? Nervous tissue. Now, what is there exactly in a nervous tissue? Let us see. The cells of nervous tissue are highly specialized. They have been stimulated. They can stimulate means they can transmit very rapidly a signal from one place to another within your body. And who do that? Brain, spinal cord, yes, spinal cord, and nerves. So this three, with this three combined, it makes the whole thing. Yes, your brain, your spinal cord, and your nerves. Now you must be wondering that these all are made up of nervous tissues. Now what is there? The cells of this tissue, we call it nerve cells or neurons. So what are called nerves or neurons? The cells of nervous tissues are called nerve cells or neuron. Now what is neuron? If you can see the picture below, that was a neuron, right? Can you see? It has a shape like this, a hair like shapes, right? So a neuron consisting of a cell body means it has a nucleus. Can you see at the dot on it? The cytoplasm and a long hair like parts. Now each neuron has a single long part. Can you see that long part? And that is called axon. Can you see that boxes here? These are called axons. Okay, and it has a nerve ending. So branch part is called dendrites. Can you see at the top? You can see it is dendrites. So it has nucleus, it has dendrites, it has axon and has nerve ending. So this one single neuron, or we call as a nerve cell, when combined together will become nervous tissue, or we call it as our nerves. Yes. So you know our whole body has nerves only. So our brain sends a signal and it reaches to all parts of our body, right? An individual nerve cell may be up to a meter long. How long it is? A meter long. Yeah. A nerve fiber bound together by a connective tissue and make nerves. Now what is the nerve impulse? Nerve impulse means what? When our brain sends a signal, right, to our muscles that hold this up, right, or move your hand up or move your hand down, slap this thing or run, catch this thing. All these signals are sent. Those are called nerve impulse. Nerve impulse allow us to move our muscles when we want to, right? And all these combinations of nerve and muscles and tissue, it only happen with all these things, right? So this combination allow us to move rapidly in response to a stimuli. And you know animals, some animals are so quick, some animals are slow. So nerve impulse, nervous tissue also plays a very important role in sending a signal or stimulus from one place to another and making the work to be get done. Okay, so hope you have understood how many types of tissues are there, right? Permanent tissues are there, connective tissues are there. There's so many types of tissues we learn, and all this tissues what we have, right? So permanent tissue, animal tissues, plant tissues. In animal tissues there are so many types of tissue. Even in that there are so many types. So it is a long big tree. Okay, so with this we have completed our chapter. I'll share you certain charts, also the question answers for the same. Okay. So that's it for today. With this, we have completed our chapter tissues. Thank you so much.